Today we're going to dive into an exciting new skincare innovation that is taking by storm. Combs Nature Vitamin C Day Serum is not just another serum in the market. This is a game changer for those who are looking to embrace the power and the power of nature goodness to improve their skin. Our team is led by a wonderful mentor, Miss Chong Yi Pei, and two brilliant innovators, Abhinay Kumar and myself, Shanmuganathan. Together, we are Citrus and Co. In introduction, let's jump right into the innovation of Combs Nature Vitamin C Day Serum.
Absolutely. Com's Nature Vitamin C Day Serum is carefully crafted formula that blends powerful natural ingredients like dry orange peel, saffron, coconut oil, aloe vera, and more. And these ingredients work together in a way that not only nourish your skin but also offer multidimensional benefits. Think hydration, skin brightening, anti-aging, and overall skin health.
That's right. So why a product revolutionary? So in today's world, everybody's concerned about the long-term and short-term effects of synthetic chemicals that are found in skincare, like sulfur and paraben, and more of the other chemicals that cause more harm than good.
Exactly. There's a growing shift towards more natural, sustainable skincare products that are as gentle on your skin as they are on the environment. Comes Nature Vitamin C Day Serum, perfect example of this trend. It's made with 100% natural ingredient, no harmful chemical, and it's designed to work with your skin's natural processes to help you to look and feel the best.
Okay, let's start with the powerhouse ingredients of the serum. First, starting with dry orange peel, which consists of vitamin C, which helps brighten the skin. It is also high in quercetin, which helps smoothen and even the skin.
And then we have saffron, a luxury ingredient known for its potent antioxidant. Saffron contains crocin and saffronol, which helps protect the skin from UV-induced damage while giving it a beautiful radiant glow. It also helps lighten dark spots, which is perfect for those who are struggling with pigmentation or uneven skin tone.
Moving on to the next essential ingredient, which is coconut oil and skincare essential. This coconut oil consists of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to moisturize the skin and creates barrier to protect the skin from harsh environments and UV light. This coconut oil also helps to moisturize the skin and keeps it smooth.
Yes, and don't forget aloe vera. It's been used for centuries for its healing properties. Aloe is packed with polysaccharides which help hydrate the skin deeply while promoting skin regeneration. It's a must-have for anyone with dry or sensitive skin.
So what does this mean? This means using all of the ingredients, we can make one powerful serum that helps to brighten and smoothen our skin. It also helps with anti-aging and keeps our skin healthy.
That's right. And one of the standout features of the serum is its ability to address multiple skin concerns at the same time, all in a single product. Whether you are worried about fine lines, dark spot, dry skin, or dullness, this serum helps tackle them all. In a clinical study, Combs Nature Vitamin C Day Serum show us increase in skin hydration after just 14 days of use. That's huge. And that didn't stop there. There was also improvement in skin brightening thanks to the saffron and orange peel extract. This combination helped visibly reduce dark spots and even out skin tone.
Impressive, right? Our serum also has benefits like anti-aging and skin moisturizing, and also helps block UV sunlight to harm your skin.
Speak for themselves. And the best part of this Combs Nature Vitamin C Day Serum is doesn't rely on harmful chemical or artificial fragrance. It's just the clean product, just pure, naturally goodness from ingredient that your skin will love.
Product isn't just good for our skin, it's also good for our planet. Combs Natural Vitamin C Day Serum is aligned with the SDG goals. So to sum it up, for anyone who's trying to find a natural and safe skincare, Combs Natural Vitamin C Day Serum is your best choice.
Whether you're dealing with dry skin, pigmentation, or signs of aging, the serum got you covered. It's time to embrace a natural, healthier way to care your skin with Combs Natural Vitamin C Day Serum. You can do that with confidence.
Thanks for joining us today. If you like our video and you want to support us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this to other people who are interested.